If you have ever heard of Bitcoin, you will certainly come across the term altcoin. In this video, I will explain to you as simply as possible what altcoins are, why they were created, and what advantages and disadvantages they have. So let's get started. All cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin are called altcoin. If we have a look at the word altcoin and break it down to two words, we have alt and coin, which stands for an alternative coin. So it's an alternative coin to Bitcoin. A few of the current top altcoins would be Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, or Binance Coin. But why were altcoins created? Well, because there's always something to improve, just like with Bitcoin. For example, Bitcoin has high transaction fees and processing can take a specific amount of time. That's why others have tackled these problems and designed improved assets. Each altcoin has made up its own rules, and each newcomer tries to solve these problems and improve, just like being cheaper or faster or smarter. Nowadays there are thousands of altcoins and more are being created all the time. But be careful, not only are potentially good altcoins created, but also some scams are being put into the world that just wants to pull out your money out of your pockets. How can you find out that an altcoin is not a scam? The most important rule would be inform yourself. Form your own opinion, don't go with others, and don't follow the hype when you haven't fully understand the uniqueness of a coin. Second point would be collect important facts. Why was the coin created? What is its purpose? And what problem is it supposed to solve? How is the problem to be solved? What are the possible solutions? How does the growth of the coin look like? How big is the community? How much has the community grown since the publication? How many people actually use the coin? And how do they realize their plans? You should always get these facts at the beginning to understand the value of a coin and then decide whether it's worth investing in it or not. We will discuss the different types of altcoins and what they are needed for in the next video. So if you don't want to miss this video, subscribe to this channel and activate the bell. Until then, I would say see you in the next video and goodbye.